This is another floor by Peninsula Floating Floors. This is a engineered timber. It's a Jarrah 15mm, 3mm top. It's a click system, and wow, it's clicked together beautifully. Really tight. There's no V-groove. It's absolutely spliced tight together. So yeah, just going to have a quick look. I've just mopped it with vinegar and detergent. How good has that come up? Are you happy, Lynn? Lynn's happy.
I'm very happy,
Okay,
thank you.
don't forget to search on Google Peninsula Floating Floors and give me a review. Very important. Yeah, you just search Peninsula Floating Floors. I'll pick it in a text, but wow. I'm so pleased the way this has turned out.
Oh yeah, me too. I love it. Absolutely.
It's interesting because that was Sydney Blue Gum, wasn't it? This original floor, but it's been sanded a few times. It's been stained and it's come up very orange. So it was hard to find an exact match. So we put down the lovely Select Jarrah, and yeah, like I said, you can sand this up to 3 times if you need to. If you ever need to, you shouldn't do.
No.
So it's got beautiful.
I wouldn't think, because it's not going to get the same traffic that the kitchen and everything gets.
Just make sure you put your foam pad. I've given felt pads to Pete. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No worries.